हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल जॉब अपडेट्स बाय वर्मा। मेरे चैनल में आप सभी का स्वागत है। आई एक्चुअली गिव डेली जॉब अपडेट्स इन माय चैनल फॉर रिगार्डिंग गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर, प्राइवेट सेक्टर, इंजीनियरिंग सेक्टर. But today I thought, as I am a working professional in IT sector, so I want to share my experience of interview with you guys, some tips and techniques to crack interview in the fresher stage. So that's why today I thought I will make some video, as placement season is going on. It will help you guys, so stay tuned with me. I will discuss some tips and techniques to crack interview in this video. So if you have come first time in my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon button so that any updates from my channel will reach you firstly when I am update any video regarding any job updates or any interview tips or anything. So stay tuned with me and watch the video till end. Let's jump into this session. So today I want to discuss some must do items prior to your interview, as well as when you are facing interview, then how to handle the challenge faces and how to behave there. So let's jump into this session. Yeah, so you can see, at first you need to do your homework. Basically you need to check out the company's website when you were preparing for particular company, like now Capgemini, TCS, Cognizant, these companies are hiring. So if you are preparing for TCS, if you are preparing for Capgemini, then check their website thoroughly. What is their product, how they delivers their product, how the service based company deals with. So this type of information you need to collect. And also if you have some common friends there, and if you have some relatives there, or any your elder sister or brother are working there, then ask them that how they are working, what is their roles and responsibilities, and find out as much as possible about the company before your interview, right? So prepare answers to commonly asked interview questions. This will make you feel mentally prepared. This is the most important thing. When some interviewer will ask you that how will come to know about TCS, then you need to prepare an answer, na, that I come this company's details from this website, and I'm very much interested with these job profiles. So that's the thing. Then the second point is you need to feel good. Bring your best attitude to before going to that interview. And also one more thing, before the interview date you need to get a good sleep, because sleep is makes your mind peace. Okay, so next thing I want to discuss, you need to dress smart. Everything counts when you are making a first impression. Someone says that first impression is the last impression. That is the thing. Okay, dress conservative and professional. Okay, if you're wearing some t-shirt and trousers, then fit it properly. If you are wearing kurti or any trousers or any lehengas or something, make it professional. Okay, so I will say, don't use these lehengas and this type of extra jewelry in your dress up sense. Okay, so just dress conservative and professional. Hair should be well groomed, your face should be preferably clean and shaven. Next point I want to discuss, that you need to arrive early plan. I actually follow this thing each and every interview. I used to reach in every interview before 1 hour or half an hour early. So try to reach early, 15 to 20 minutes before your scheduled interview. Additionally, give yourself a little extra time for your commute, just in case traffic is bad. In total, build in an extra half an hour for yourself, 15 minutes for commute, what ifs, and 15 to be sure that you are early. So these few things you need to remember when you are preparing for interview, when you are facing some interview, then you need to follow these 4 items properly. And one more thing, please turn off your cell phone when you are entering in the interview location. Okay, so next we will go to some must do items during to your interview. Okay, so first thing is greet with confidence. So confidence is the best and one and only thing which make your interview far better. I will suggest that. So please maintain a direct eye contact and do a firm handshake and a smile. Don't smile in a large way, just a small smile in your face, and show enthusiasm. Sure, they are looking for someone who can do the job. Okay, so be that person, be yourself. Sell yourself on that interview as a person qualified and eager to take on the task at hand. Express your interest, be pleasant, be positive, be sure to sit with your best posture. So these are the few things. I also follow this, so that I am now in this position. I am currently working in one of the best MNC in the world, so I also follow this. So that's why I'm talking to you, I'm suggesting you that maintain your confidence level. And one more thing, don't become so overconfident. Okay, so sometimes overconfidence make your interview a bad impact on the interviewers. So next one thing I must say, listen to the question properly. The interviewer will tell you everything you need to know to get this job. If you are careful to actively listen, then it will be helpful to you. Do not give the interviewer the impression that you are not paying attention to him. It is important to engage the interviewer in a meaningful discussion than to have a monologue to an audience who are switched off. Okay, so sometimes it may happen that interviewer is talking with you, but you are not giving the positive answer from your side to the interviewer, so then it will affect a bad impression to him. So next point I want to discuss, that is answer the question directly. It means it is important that you answer the questions crisply and without rambling and going off on a tangent. I mean to say that if you know this answer, then try to give it in a crisp manner, and if you don't know this answer, then make your mind sure that you will say I don't know this answer. Okay, that is the attitude you need to bring on yourself. So these are the few things I want to discuss. And also one more thing, at the end of this session I want to show you some videos about how to gesture in an interview, like what will be your type of handshake, your smile. So just watch this so that you can get a better idea of it. So yeah, so I think you have got the idea how to behave properly, how to handshake in a interview with the interviewer, and how to maintain a proper mannerism in interview. And these are the few tips what I want to discuss today. So if you think it is helpful to you, then please subscribe my channel, and please share this with your friends or any of your sister or brother, so that they can prepare well, they are being motivated before going an interview. So that's it, my friend. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye. We will meet in next video. Bye.